Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Aloo Palak. Don't tell anybody, but I think it's Saag Aloo. My wife just corrected me. Apparently Aloo Palak is potatoes and spinach, where Saag Aloo is any greens and potatoes. So I consider myself told. First thing we do is put a good splash of oil in a suitable frying pan. Add the cubed potatoes and fry off till they take on some colour on all sides. And when the potatoes have nice crispy edges, turn off the heat and remove from the pan. The next thing you do is heat a further tablespoon of oil in the pan. Add the fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds and fry until they crackle. Then add the onions and garlic and continue to fry off for 5 to 6 minutes. Next add salt and pepper to taste, followed by the turmeric, ground coriander, ground cumin and chilli powder. And of course mix in well. After you've fried the dry spices for a minute or two, it's time to add in the chopped tomatoes. Next you add in a good pinch of sugar. Then add the potatoes back to the pan and mix through. Continue to cook for a further 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add a splash of water to the pan. Stir it through, then it's time to add as much baby spinach on top of the potatoes as you can get. Then put a lid on the pan and allow the spinach to wilt down. When the first batch of spinach is well wilted, add the next batch. Put a lid on the pan and allow that to wilt down. And it's always been an amazement to me how much spinach does wilt. I mean, you start off with a bucket full and end up with a teacup full. It's like the magic of the disappearing green stuff. Anyway, when all the spinach is incorporated, it's time to add the green mango powder and mix through. Next thing, you add a splash of water and continue to cook until the potatoes are all cooked through. Then you're ready to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe, whether it's Aloo Palak or Saag Aloo. Just for the record, I'm going to the market now to buy some food for the next recipe. Bye for now.